Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled cucumbers at home. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients, including fresh cucumbers, vinegar, water, salt, and your favorite pickling spices. Next, prepare your canning jars and lids by sterilizing them properly. This crucial step ensures your homemade pickles are safe to eat and will last longer, giving you that satisfying crunch whenever you crave it. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our main ingredients. Thoroughly wash your cucumbers and slice them to your preferred thickness, whether spears or rounds. For the brine, combine equal parts vinegar and water, then add salt and a touch of sugar for balance. Don't forget to infuse your brine with classic pickling spices such as dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds to achieve that perfect tangy flavor. It's time to pack those jars. Tightly arrange your sliced cucumbers and any additional spices, like peppercorns or bay leaves, into your clean, sterilized jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This step creates a vacuum seal for preservation. Once processed, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a wire rack without disturbing them. As they cool, you'll hear the satisfying pop of the lid's sealing. After cooling, check for proper seal by pressing the center of each lid. It should not flex. Store your perfectly sealed homemade pickled cucumbers in a cool, dark place, and they'll be ready to enjoy for many weeks to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.